A new video relating to BCom 6th semester managerial accounting of unit 1 introduction to managerial accounting, and in this video we are going to discuss the management accounting objectives or objectives of the management account. This is part of our first unit, that is objectives of management accounting. So without further delay, let us see the answer relating to it. Objectives of management accounting. The important objectives of management accounting or managerial accounting are as follows. To supply necessary data to the management. What management accounting does has the objective means the main objective is for making decisions. So for that it requires some data. So management accounting will supply necessary data to the management for formulating future plans. So whatever objectives of the management accounting or managerial accounting are there, for implementing those it requires some data. The data includes statements pertaining to past results and estimates for future. So past data, management accounting will prepare some future estimates. So this data will be supplied by whom? Management accounting. To present financial information to the management. Whatever financial information is there, cash inflows, other things, profit, loss, interest, expenses, income, revenue, all these will be supplied to the presented to the management in a way that is easily understandable. So presenting financial information in easily understandable manner, that is one of the objectives of management accounting. So this is also we need to consider. Next, to establish strong working relationship amongst different individuals pertaining to different departments of the same organization. See, there will be different departments in the organization. So all those departments should have a good relationship. So management accounting establishes a strong working relationship among different individuals relating to different departments of the same organization, like production manager, production department employees, along with the on the basis of to do production they require some basic material, raw material and other things. They will get it from stores department. So stores department people and production department people should have a good relationship so that they can communicate easily. Okay, and stores department will have a good relationship with the other departments like purchase department and sales and other things. So in an organization, management accounting will what it will does, it will establish a good relationship among the different departments of the same organization. That is what here they are saying. So here we can write this third point as to establish strong working relationship among the different individuals. Okay, next fourth point, to help in keeping the actual performance as per the plan made by the management. Whatever management has made some plans, actual should be in line with the whatever plan. So management accounting will give a brief note or budget or some information, okay, while performing the employees their duties, they will make sure that they should, whatever they are performing, it should be in line with the actuals. Okay, so management accounting has one more objective, that is to in to help in keeping the actual performance as per the plans made by management. Next we are having to motivate the employees by fixing targets and providing incentives. Employees will be working in the organization. Okay, they should get motivated, so management accounting will make sure that employees of the organization get motivated, and they should have been given a fixed targets and providing incentives if they achieve those targets. That is also one of the objectives of management accounting. Next, to keep the management fully informed about the latest position of the organization. Whatever latest information is available, okay, management should be fully informed about latest position of the organization. This will be made by the management accounting as one of the objective, so that they can always be in present, so that future plans can be made easily. To keep the tax burden of the organization to minimum. Tax burden should be minimum, so that they can effectively plan the tax policies. Management, it has one of the objectives to minimize the tax. That is what they are saying. Next, last but not least, important thing, every management will think about it, that is to maximize the wealth of the organization. As a whole organization always wants to increase the wealth of the organization. So to maximize the wealth of the organization, so in short, there are 8 points, easily you can understand this, uh, and there may be a question relating to it in the exam also. So first one, to supply necessary data to the management for formulating future plans. It includes statements pertaining to past and estimates for the future. Next, present the financial information easily understandable way. Establish strong relationship, that is the third. Next, fourth point, so establishing a strong relationship among the employees is one of the objective of management accounting. To help in keeping actual performance with the planned one is one another one. Motivate employees for and fixing the targets, providing the incentives is another one. This is relating to employees. Okay, next, management fully informed about the latest position of the organization, at which stage organization is there in the market. Okay, that should be informed to the organization. For this purpose, financial as other competitive nature, management will prepare some budgets and other things, so that management accounting will help the management in this regard. So this is one of the objective. And tax planning is another thing. So to keep the tax burden of the organization at minimum and maximizing the wealth of the organization. Organization wants to increase the profits, so by increasing the earnings, it will maximize its wealth. So this is about the objectives of the management accounting or managerial accounting. So I am making small videos for you all, so that you can give 10 to 15 minutes time, 20 minutes time, so that you can learn the things and remember the things. So I am saying it to you all, after this lockdown you will not be having enough time before the exam. So whatever completed syllabus is there, till that syllabus prepare yourself, otherwise it will become a big problem at end. तो सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन. And don't forget to share it with your friends. And most of the people who are watching are not yet subscribed yet. If they subscribe, they will get the information relating to videos as soon as I upload in the YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe also. And nothing, we say sharing is caring, so please share it with your friends. And stay home, be safe, don't go outside, as people are thinking 6 to 10 we can go out. 6 to 10 you can go out for necessities. If it is necessary, then only you go, and don't go every day. Once you go, get the things for 4 to 5 days. Okay, situation is not yet in control, so be careful. That's it. फिर ये भी एक बड़ा भाषण हो जाएगा. सो टेक केयर. जय हिंद.